Welcome to Rainbow Baby Reviews, where we review products for parents and for children ages toddler and up. Today we're going to be reviewing a product that is brand new to the market. I'm sure a lot of you parents out there have heard about Cocomelon on YouTube, a very popular channel, which I'm sure, like your children, is played constantly at home. Well, recently Cocomelon just released a line of toys. They only have a couple of toys so far, but I know that as soon as they came out, I had to get my hands on one for my little Cocomelon fan. So today, I was actually fortunate enough to get a hold of a JJ doll. If anyone who doesn't know who JJ is, but I'm sure if you're watching this, you probably do. JJ is the smallest child on the Cocomelon channel, the baby of the channel. And my daughter, my 2-year-old, is a huge fan of JJ. JJ was very hard to find, sold out everywhere, but I lucked out. The Target actually had 2 left, so I ran over there as fast as I could to make sure that I got one. So today I'll be having my toddler bring it out to me, and I'll be unboxing it in front of her to see her reaction. We have it kind of disguised in a Pampers box so that she doesn't know exactly what she's bringing to me. So let's see how she reacts. You want to sit next to Mama?
No. Huh? I'm a toy.
All right, Nora, let's see what we have today, huh? Okay. Do you want to help Mama pull this? Okay, so what we have here is the new JJ doll from Cocomelon. He's super soft, very cuddly. He has a harder head though, and he's holding his little favorite teddy bear. And if you press his tummy, he makes noises, says nighty night, and plays music. JJ. Like his hair? Does he have a teddy bear? And he giggles. I'm not sure how many. So cute. Now JJ is for ages 18 plus, so it's perfect age for her. I know that Cocomelon also has a line of other toys. They have the school bus, which I'm also trying to get next, and a family pack of the friends, and then also a doctor kit and little wheelies. Yeah, you love him so much. He pushes belly. So thank you for joining us here today. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.